Smile and learn!
Hello, math friends! Welcome back to my ship. Today we are learning about equations and how to solve them. But let's take it one step at a time. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement that shows that two expressions are equal. There is one expression on the left and one on the right, with an equal sign in the middle. The two equal expressions have the same value. That is why there's an equal sign. For example, 2 plus 5 equals 7. In an equation, we have constants and variables. Constants are numbers with a fixed value. They don't change. Variables are the unknowns, which are usually represented by letters. The most common one is x. When we say that we are going to solve an equation, we mean that we are going to find the value of the variable, that is, the value of x. In order to find the value of x, we use mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Today we're going to learn how to solve equations with addition and subtraction. Let's solve this equation. As we said before, the main goal of solving an equation is to find the value of x. We do this by isolating it on one side of the equal sign with everything else on the other. When we move parts of an equation from one side to the other, we have to keep the equation balanced, so be careful. In this equation, we're going to isolate the x on the left side. But right now, that x is accompanied by an operation, plus 3. So we need to move that to the right side and isolate the x. We do this with the reverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. To keep the equation balanced, we subtract 3 from each side of the equation. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Look, now we've isolated x. So x equals 6. Equation solved. Remember to check your work. To see if we solved for x correctly, we can plug the result into the initial equation. Let's try it. Now both sides of the equation have the same value. The equation is equal since 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now we know our work is correct. Shall we try another one? Remember that we have to isolate the x on one side of the equation. We start with the reverse operation of subtraction, addition. We add 4 to each side of the equation to keep it balanced. Negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So, x equals 12. To check our work, let's plug 12 into the original equation. X minus 4 equals 8. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Fantastic! 8 equals 8. We did it! Now we know what an equation is and how to solve it. It's an out-of-this-world skill. See you soon, friends!
Hello again, explorers of the mathematical cosmos. We already know that equations are like scales that we need to balance, but today we're going up a level. We are learning how to solve equations where we multiply or divide with the variable. Start your engines! Remember, the variable in an equation is the unknown value we want to find out. In this case, it's the letter x, but it's important to know that we can use any letter as the variable. Solving an equation means leaving the x all alone on one side of the equal sign, or isolating it. Take a good look at this example, 3x. When a number and a variable are next to each other, it means we multiply them together. To move that 3 to the other side of the equal sign, we need the golden ticket, the inverse operation. If the number is multiplying by x, we can move it to the other side of the equation with the inverse operation, which is, that's right, division. Look at it now. X equals 15 divided by 3. If we solve the division, 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. So x equals 5. See how the x is all alone? That's what isolating the x means. And what happens if x has a divisor? Let's see. Here, the 4 is dividing into our variable. To isolate x, we must move the 4 to the right side of the equal sign. It's being divided, so how can we move it to the other side? That's right, by multiplying. Oh, and do you see that dot? To avoid confusion with the variable, which is usually an x like the multiplication sign, we put a dot like this so we don't get confused. We solve 2 times 4 equals 8, so x equals 8. Mystery solved! Let's review what we've learned. Remember that the goal is to isolate the x. In this equation, 3 is being multiplied, so to move it to the right side of the equal sign, we have to do the inverse operation. When we move it to the other side, the 3 becomes a divisor. The equation looks like this. X equals 12 divided by 3. If we solve 12 divided by 3, we have our solution. X equals 4. Remember to check your answer. Let's plug 4 into the original equation. 4 times 3 equals 12. Perfect! The equation is correct. Let's look at another example. What do we have to do to isolate the x in this case? Great! Move the 3 to the other side. Since 3 is being divided, we move it to the other side by multiplying. Then we are left with x equals 3 times 6. So, x equals 18. Simple, right? Mission accomplished! With these tools, you can solve any puzzle in the mathematical universe. Keep practicing and see you in the next orbit, friends!
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.